was knocked off pad. You can see that this module has. I have removed the surrounding lamp beads. This place was demolished. There is a lamp bead that does not light up. This lamp bead. Because a lamp bead has 4 solder joints, red, green and blue. There is also a positive pole. Now look at the lamp beads. There are already 3 welded joints that are gone. Take off the lamp beads. Remove it with a heat gun. This cover pad already dropped. It is also positive lamp bead. The positive solder joint is gone. The lamp will not light up. RGB. Only blue signal. So this lamp bead does not have anode. Now we're going to put the positive pole, red, and green need to be added. This solder pad is better. Also remove the surrounding good lamp beads. Find the model number of the corresponding module. Pad. For convenience of maintenance, prepare a small piece in advance. A small piece of solder pad. Requires 2 rows of pads. Remove the lamp beads. There is still tin residue on it. The tin points will be uneven. We need to use iron to smooth it out. When we deal with found this solder joint missing. According to this place, cut the pads to the same size. Under the light, observe the direction of the line. If you are unsure, you can use a multimeter to measure. Judging from the angle of the lamp bead, the upper left corner is the center of the solder joint. The positive pole is the signal of OK. The relationship is parallel. It's OK. Test the red, green and blue. Information again. It's OK. Put it in the right position. No deviations allowed. Otherwise, a short circuit will occur. Use iron again. Leveling. Progressive addition of tin to the pad. corresponding to welding. It's okay. Use an air gun to blow up the lamp beads. One lamp bead has been repaired. The second lamp bead has also been repaired. The third lamp bead has also been repaired. Okay. Red, green and blue all on.